I am in medications. Just because my brother is dying, he's gonna be disconnected. I need to be there because he's gonna be disconnected tomorrow.
A 4-6-year-old woman, Orlando International Airport. 1 gate agent kicked, 2 monitors destroyed, 1 arrest. What the law says about all of it next. 3 charges, 3 statutes. Let's break them down. Battery, Florida Statute, Section 784.03. Intentional strike against another's will. A kick to a gate agent. A phone used as a weapon against a second employee. Both acts satisfy this statute independently. Criminal mischief, Florida Statute, Section 806.13. The charge level is determined by damage value. Under $1,000, first-degree misdemeanor, 1 year maximum. At or above $1,000. Third-degree felony, up to 5 years. 2 monitors at $500 each puts total damage at exactly the felony threshold. That classification is now a court decision. Resisting arrest without violence, Florida Statute, Section 843.02. No physical aggression required. Obstruction alone qualifies. Pulling away during escort. Refusing to stop moving during handcuffing. Both satisfy the statute. A third charge was inevitable.
Kick this gate agent in a pink shirt.
Oh, that's assault.
And then punch this computer monitor at a Southwest Airlines gate at Orlando International Airport.
Yeah. Whoa, what is she doing?
But it doesn't stop there.
2 flights, 3 planes! After 45 minutes!
She then allegedly punches yet another computer monitor at the gate agent's desk.
I have excellent footage of her kicking him and punching him and breaking.
Cool. Can I see that?
I also have it right here, too.
Yeah, actually, hold on. Let me back it up a little.
Right there.
Sorry.
This is her getting off the plane all the way through, punching the
Oh, you got the
screens and
whole-
stuff. I got everything.
Yeah, there's her kicking in.
You want to press charges?
Well, you got 2 views of it, so. Do you want
You know how to work Axon?
Yeah.
I just talked to my station manager, Raphael, and yes.
Okay,
Do you want us to send this to you?
Okay, and apparently she broke a... Okay, you're going to write a statement for me? Yeah. Okay, and apparently she broke a...
How do we get it? The monitor's ripped out of the wall.
Okay.
And then she hit me on the wrist with her phone and kicked me.
Okay. How much is this going to cost?
I have no idea.
Estimate?
Each monitor is probably $500.
Right.
So I would say $1,000. People too, so that's probably another 200.
Cool. Yeah.
Yelling now, but punched and kicked our manager, broke 2 monitors, had the night boarding for her behavior.
Is she intoxicated?
No, she was on a flight that it took off, had a maintenance problem, had the air return. Yeah. So as she was boarding the second flight, she got upset. And then it went from there.
194, what's 1012, what's the subject?
Sorry.
Jesus.
What? What happened is that I had a breakdown because this
Just keep your distance. You don't have to get close. Just tell us what happened.
Oh, okay. I've been waiting for this flight after 45 minutes. That one was here in the road after all the time that we need to wait, right? I was...
Get off the phone and tell us what happened. Tell us what happened. Forget about the phone.
It's my mom. It's my mom.
Yeah, well, we're investigating. We're investigating what happened. Can you put it down?
Madre.
How old are you?
She's 75.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
Okay, you can talk without your mom. So what happened?
Ma.
Did you hit a
No, mi
monitor?
quédate aquí en el teléfono. Porque esta gente, yo no sé qué es lo que traen conmigo. los puertorriqueños, yo no sé qué es, ma. Pero está bien cabrón lo que están haciendo, ma. Y quiero que te quede el teléfono porque llegaron 2 oficiales y yo no voy a hablar sin que nadie me escuche, ma. Porque tú sabes cómo son los oficiales y sabes cómo son esta gente, ma. So, this is what happened. I get into a breakdown because I was talking with my mom at the hallway in a louder voice. So one of the guys come to me and is screaming at me that the people don't need to hear my conversation, which is I'm agree, all right? But right now I'm really frustrated. I am in medications just because my brother is dying. He's gonna be disconnected. I need to be there because he's gonna be disconnected tomorrow. It's not my problem. It's not my fault.
So what else happened?
What else happened? That I get angry and I hit all the computers and everything because I told them, okay, I can. You keep me out of the flight. Okay, that's perfect. But I'll give me my money to buy another ticket in another flight, right? Because it's not my mistake that after 45 minutes, the Southwest be on the air, go back to MCO because one of the tires is damaged.
So what else after you hit the monitors? Then what happened?
Nothing happens. I calling you. Nothing happens. I'm being here.
Okay. Did you break a monitor?
Yes, I think because I hit them with my phone. Right here. Mira.
You hit who with the phone?
I hit the monitors with my phone. I hit the whole monitors with my phone.
Before her arrest, the subject told officers she struck the monitors with her phone. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, decided by the Supreme Court in 1984, Miranda warnings only attach at custodial interrogation. On-scene investigative questions do not meet that threshold. That admission is voluntary. It is admissible. It is evidence. Probable cause rested on 3 independent pillars: employee eyewitnesses, airport and passenger video, and her own confession. Any one satisfies Florida's standard. All 3 together leave no legal ambiguity.
Put the phone down. Put the phone down.
Yeah. Don't resist.
Don't resist.
Don't resist. Put the phone down. Put the phone down.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Turn your hand. There you go. So it's a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah.
That's going to be more comfortable for you that way, okay?
Okay.
And then turn this one this way.
Okay.
Keep turning. There you go.
Right there.
Yep.
Okay.
It'll be more comfortable for you.
Okay.
1 to 10.
Ma, me arrestaron y me van a llevar presa por nada, mami.
No, that's not so. Who's primary on this?
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. What
Stop
happened?
moving.
You want?
I want to press charge too.
Okay,
I don't
okay,
know
we'll
who's
get you to write a statement,
Stop
okay?
moving.
Stop moving, just stay still.
Why I am arrested?
Stop. Don't do that.
Because you broke their monitors.
Don't do that.
Yeah, and they broke my heart. And they broke my flight.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime, that?
No, it's
No,
not.
that is not a crime, right?
It's not.
That is not a crime.
No. It's not a
To
crime.
mess up with people's life, that is not a crime.
It's not a crime.
No problem.
That is not a crime.
It's not, ma'am.
You got an ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop
I
moving.
have
All right,
I had
come
my
on.
medication.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Walk with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that to,
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on, don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to do?
I want you to stand still.
Just when cops thought it was over, according to the officer's statement, the woman started pulling away when escorting her out the airport, which left them no choice but to secure her in a patrol car.
Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. Ah, there it is. I'm right down there. We can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down there.
you're proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all. Proud at all.
If you,
Stop
if
swimming
you,
your arms.
Yeah, but why you are squeezing me? You are squeezing. You are hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You are hurting me. I'm resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're swimming your arms and you're trying to get out of these handcuffs.
Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here?
Yeah, all the bruises.
You got an elevator?
All the bruises.
To get downstairs? Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, hermano. ¿Sabes cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. What? Why you are still doing force on me? I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All the
I'm
way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way to
See
the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that you
Stop.
that you're gonna take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Because in any moment I'm be resisting. And I'm doing anything wrong. Just waiting.
Yo.
Tell him I'll come get him. And brush all over him.
Right there, door to remain closer. The stepping in. Okay.
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop pulling
You are
me.
pulling me. Oh, fucking abuser. You are an abuser. All of you are an abuser. Just abusers.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want, that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. Shit. All good. It's not hard. You start pulling me around, we're gonna have problems. Get in. Scoot over. Right there.
On use of force during escort, Graham versus Connor, a Supreme Court decision from 1989. Force must be objectively reasonable, given what the officer knew in the moment. 3 factors apply: severity of the crime, active resistance, threat level. The subject had committed battery. She was pulling away under escort. Officers escalated to control holds. Under Graham, that is proportionate, officers deployed no less lethal options, no OC spray, no taser, despite resistance that would have legally justified either. Force stayed at soft, empty hand control throughout. That restraint matters, and it shows in the grade. Grief, medication, a dying family member. None of these constitute a legal defense to battery or criminal mischief under Florida law. They are, however, legitimate factors for prosecutorial discretion and sentencing mitigation. Context does not eliminate culpability. It can reduce punishment. Grades: Orlando Police, B+. Probable cause, solid. Force proportionate. Handcuffs adjusted for comfort, unprompted. Less lethal options withheld despite justification. Deduction: a brief, empathetic acknowledgement of the subject's crisis before the escort could have reduced physical resistance. That moment was available. 3 lessons. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.
You got any information on her?
That's Armani's got everything. Got the ID.
Let me
and all
grab
that.
can you bring some statements up to him?
Yeah. I think. Oh yeah, because
She was like
Shadow
dragging me
doesn't have
along.
it.
I was like, what?
Yeah.
She hit the dude. There's clear video up in there. When you go up there, please get that video. No. The cell phone. A couple
they got
passengers came up. They got it, and you see her going wham, wham, kicking them.
Oh really?
Yeah, kicking the. So she's got battery, criminal mischief. Right now, the criminal mischief's at like 1,200.
Okay.
We need you guys in here sometimes. That woman, I thought she was gonna hit us. I was like, that woman, she wanted to hit everybody there.
Does she? Yeah.
Oh my God! I was like, oh my God. She damaged two computers. Unbelievable.
Should we get
Thank
criminal
you guys.
The criminal mischief out there.
Huh?
Yeah, if we can find out how much, it's just another additional charge we're going to charge her with. Because we just need to know how much it's going to cost to repair the computers. And we're going to add that in. And I'm sure computers are cheap, so another felony.
Yeah, they very, very